Sig looked across the cabin to where his father lay, waiting for him to speak. But his father said nothing, because he was dead. Sig started in his own way, frozen to the chair, waiting for his father to get up, smile again, and start talking. But he didn't. They said that dead men tell no tales, but they are wrong. Even dead people have tales.
The book Revolver is full of adventure and twisting action. You'll experience 6 challenges surviving in a bleak landscape in far northern Alaska. Is he strong enough to trust what his parents taught him, or will he strike out on his own? Will Sig use the Colt revolver against his father's mortal enemy? Available in bookstores now. Revolver by Marcus Sedgwick. Available in bookstores now.
These are the credits.
Resources.